funny. Why isn't it funny?
Not to me. I just don't have
You don't like cartoons that swear?
I don't really like cartoons unless they're cartoonish.
I think they're funny. I don't like The Simpsons, but I like Family Guy. The graphics on The Simpsons are weird. It is. He's still eating. Well, they're also yellow. They're very yellow.
Branch, Boston, especially Orchard Park, telling us that they have not had their county roads plowed, so they can't get their town plows to do their work because they just can't. They need to get through the county roads first in order to get to the town. Mark Poloncarz responded by saying, you can't ask for help on the phone, you can't ask for help through the mail. So we need to speak to Mr. Poloncarz again and ask him, well, in an emergency situation, why can't you use the phone? Perhaps maybe you can't use the DLAN system for some reason. We're trying to get this all sorted out, but all we know right now is that various towns like Orchard Park are begging for help from the county, and so Poloncarz did address it. In Orchard Park specifically, Abbott, 20A, and Lake are all county roads that still need to be plowed.
We did get some hard numbers.
Things will change on Saturday, but also potential for flooding on Sunday. As of right now, this is to the Bills and the NFL. As much as I'd like to, and Ralph Wilson Stadium is very close to the snow as it is right now. Cannot commit to emergency service right now. The sheriff's deputies being at the facility on Sunday.
No.
He had trouble overexerting himself.
What happened?
Kind of hard. Simple as that. As Dr. Gail Burstein has been stating during our press briefings, I know everybody wants to get out there, and I can tell you, growing up in Lackawanna, it was a badge of honor to be the first one to snow shovel and snow blow in your driveway and your sidewalk. We used to have a nice little competition amongst all the neighbors, but there's nowhere to go. And you only, if you do especially have a cardiac condition, you should not be out there snow blowing, snow shoveling. Hire some local kids to do it. This snow is very thick, it's very heavy, it takes a tremendous amount of exertion to snow blow, even move a snow blower. And
Yeah,
cardiac deaths that we've had.
You're not gonna fit in there, Toby.
That are non-accident or in the vehicle.
Thank you.
I think there are at least 4 or 5 cardiac deaths, and almost every single one of them was someone exerting themselves, either snow blowing or snow shoveling. So that is a direct result of someone trying to get a snow blower through snow and exerting themselves and having a heart attack, that's my understanding. We may be at the FEMA threshold for the county, but we also have to take a look and see as a region.
You said you wanted it, so. No.
Even down to buying pizzas for volunteer firefighters. Because every dollar.
And trying to get himself into a shoebox, and it's not working.
Actually, sides of walls are caved in.
You're a little too big.
All of that will, in the end, have to be to see what the actual case is for this entire community.
Welcome to Buffalo. Full blizzard. There's not much you can do when you're trapped in your house for 4 days. But here it is. It's still snowing out there. And our tree died.
Thank you, guys.
Yep.
Thank you.
You can see it, it's snowing still. We're just in a state of emergency, and yeah, it's completely snow thing. And have travel bans everywhere. Yep, that's how we're going. Everything's closed.